Salmon Shenanigans, a quirky guide to cooking your way to omega-3 bliss. Hey culinary comrades! Ready to embark on a seafood adventure that is swimming with flavor and drenched in omega-3 goodness? Well, strap on your aprons and get ready for some Salmon Shenanigans, the only cooking show where the fish might have more personality than your quirky neighbor. Episode 1. Baked Salmon, aka the Zen Master Oven Dance. So, you want your salmon to be a little baked? It is like a spa day for fish. Preheat that oven and let your salmon soak in all the warmth and attention. Remember, the key here is patience. The longer it basks in the oven, the more zen it becomes. Imagine your salmon doing yoga in there. Downward dog never looked so delicious. Episode 2. Grilled Salmon. Flame grilled drama, anyone? Now let us crank up the heat and get a little sizzle in our lives. Grilled salmon is like the action movie of the seafood world. It is bold, it is daring, and it leaves your taste buds cheering for more. Just do not let it steal the spotlight for too long. We are cooking, not auditioning for a summer blockbuster. Episode 3. Pan-seared salmon, the saucy tango of the skillet. Ah, the pan-seared salmon, where the skillet becomes a dance floor and your fish does the saucy tango. Sear each side to golden perfection and watch as your salmon waltzes its way to omega-3 greatness. Just be careful with the flipping. We are aiming for culinary finesse, not a fishy somersault. The grand finale, serving suggestions, because plating is everything. Now that your salmon is cooked to perfection, it is time for the grand finale. Plate it up as if you are in a Michelin-starred restaurant, or go full Picasso with the presentation. Bonus points for adding a sprig of parsley, because who does not want their salmon to have a stylish hat? In the end, cooking salmon is an art, a dance, and a bit of a comedy show. Embrace the adventure, laugh at the mishaps, and savor the delicious rewards. Your taste buds will thank you, and your kitchen might just become the hottest comedy club in town.